Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be discussing with you the solved question paper of Haryana Civil Services Judicial Branch Preliminary Examination of the year 2010. I have already discussed with you the latest question paper of 2018, 17, 14, 13 and 2000 questions of 2011 as well. I'll share the link in the description box below. So today we will be going to discuss a total number of 125 questions. So let us see the questions for today. Question number 1, the meaning of audi altrum partem is option number C. Everybody should be given a reasonable opportunity to defend himself. That is the meaning of audi altrum partem. And question number 2. In law, a man is presumed to be dead if he is not heard of as alive for option number B. This is 7 years. Question number 3. A sentence of death by a lower court must be confirmed by high court. Option number A. Then question number 4. A conspiracy needs at least 2 persons. This is given under section 120A of IPC. Question number 5. The act of unlawfully entering into another's property is known as option number B, trespass. Question number 6. Sexual intercourse with the consent of a girl amounts to rape if she is under option number D, 18 years of age. 7. Which of the functionaries can be invited to give his opinion to the parliament? This is option number D, Attorney General of India. He also has a right of audience in the parliament by virtue of article 76. Question number 8. First Indian President of International Court of Justice was option number A, Justice Nagendra Singh. Question number 9. Which of the following is a human rights organization? This is option number B, Amnesty International. Question number 10. Which of the following countries is not a member of SAARC? This is option number B, Myanmar. So this number of the members of SAARC are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. And there are total number of 8 members. Question number 11. Fourth estate refers to option number A, press. Question number 12. Who is the present Secretary General of United Nations Organization? So the present one is Antonio Guterres. So that is the reason why option number D is the correct option here. Question number 13. West Bank is a disputed territory between option number B, Palestine and Israel. 14. Which is the world's highest battleground? This is actually Siachen, option number C. So Siachen is actually situated between India and Pakistan. Question number 15. Who was the first Indian to go in space? This is option number C, Rakesh Sharma. 16. The Rowlatt Act was passed in option number C, 1919. 17. Who was the first and last Indian Governor General of Independent India? This is option number A, R. Rajgopalachari. 18. The first woman to become a governor of a state in India is option number B, Sarojini Naidu. Then question number 19. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were hanged for their role in this option number B, Lahore conspiration case. Question number 20. The executive authority of the union is vested by the constitution in the option number B. This is president by virtue of article 53. Question number 21. Right to seek advisory opinion of the Supreme Court on any question of law belongs to president, and this right has been given under article 143. Question number 22. Which one of the following Chief Justices of India has acted as President of India? This is option number A, M. Hidayatullah. Question number 23. An ordinance promulgated by the President, option number C, must be laid before Parliament when it reassembles, given under article 123. Question number 24. To contest the election of a Rajya Sabha, person shall not be less than option number B, 30 years of age. Question number 25. Area of a Lok Sabha constituency for the purpose of general elections is determined by, option number A, Delimitation Commission. Question number 26. On which date did India become sovereign democratic republic? This option number B is 26th of January 1950. Question number 27. The Constitution of India is declared to have been adopted and enacted by the option number B, people of India. Question number 28. Which of the following article of the Constitution of India is related to liberty of press? Option number A, article 19. Question number 29. Who can impose restrictions on the fundamental rights. This is option number B, Parliament. Question number 30. The right to constitutional remedies is available to option number C, all persons for enforcing any of the fundamental rights conferred on them. Question number 31. A command asking a public authority to perform its public duties called the writ of option number C, mandamus. Question number 32. And another name of mercy killing is option number B, euthanasia. Question number 33. Every person who is arrested or detained is required to be produced before the nearest magistrate within a period of option number A, 24 hours. Question number 34. Ownership and possession are option number C. These both are different concepts. Question number 35. When a child is born alive, which one of the following is true about him? Option number D, all of the above. He is considered to be a person in the eye of law. He is considered even in womb to be in existence. Option number B. And C, he is considered to be capable of owning personal rights. Question number 36. Locus standi means, it means actual option number D, right to intervene. Question number 37. A contract is actually an agreement enforceable by law given under section 2 clause H, which defines the term contract. Question number 13. Illegality renders a contract, option number B, void. Question number 39. Total number of seats in Lok Sabha for Haryana is actually, the total number of seats in Lok Sabha for Haryana is 10. So here the correct option is option number D, none of the above. 40. First Chief Minister of Haryana state was option number A, B.D. Sharma, and present one is Shri Manohar Lal Khattar. 41. Which of the following statements is or are correct? Here option number C, both 1 and 2. A claim for damages arising out of breach of conduct is not debt. A person who enters into a contract with government doesn't necessarily thereby undertake any public duty. Question number 42. Which of the following agreement is or are void? Option number D, 1 and 2. Agreement without consideration and agreement in restraint of legal proceedings. Then question number 43. A obtained a sum of rupees 10,000 from B by putting B in fear of death. Which one of the following offences was committed by A? This is option number D, extortion. Question number 44. Use of violence by a member of an assembly of 5 or more persons in furtherance of common object will constitute option number C, rioting, and given under section 145. Question number 45. A sees B drowning but doesn't save him. B is drowned. A has committed, in this case A has committed no offence. Question number 46. A has knocked down 2 teeth of B. A has committed the offence of, this actually option number A, grievous hurt, given under section 320 of IPC. Question number 47. Which one of the following statements correctly define the term murder? Option number C. Death is caused with the intention of causing such bodily injury as the offender knows to be likely to cause death of the person to whom the injury is caused, and the offence of murder is given under section 300 of IPC. 48. A servant collected money from the debtor of his master as authorized by him. The servant retained the money in his hands because it was due to him as wages. So he commits option number A, criminal breach of trust. It is defined under section 405 of IPC. Question number 49. A finds a watch on the floor of a state transport bus while he was leaving it as the last passenger. He picked it up and put it in his pocket instead of returning it to the state transport authorities. Next day he sold it. A is liable for option number C, criminal misappropriation. 50. Under which of the following situations the Indian courts would have jurisdiction? These option number D, 1, 2 and 3. Crime committed by an Indian in a foreign country, then second, crime committed by a foreigner in India, and third, crime committed by a person on an Indian ship. Then question number 51. Which one of the following is an essential ingredient of sedition? So this actually option number D. Words spoken must be capable of exciting disaffection towards the government, and defined under section 124E of IPC. Then question number 52. Nothing is an offence which is done by a person who is option number B, 6 years old boy, by virtue of section 82 of IPC. 53. Acceptance through post can be revoked before it comes to the knowledge of the offerer, because as soon as it comes to the knowledge of the offerer, the acceptance is completed, so revocation has to be made before that. Question number 54. Who won the women's single title at Wimbledon in 2010? Correct option is option number B, Serena Williams, and the present is Ashley Barty. Then question number 53 is done. 54. 55. Who is the current top ranked badminton player in India? So at that time it was Saina Nehwal, and you have to comment in the comment section below who is the top ranked women badminton player in India. Although it is not an important question, because this time the top player actually belongs to somebody from a foreign country and none from India. So this is a reason why this question may not be important for this time. Question number 56. Which of the following section defines the doctrine of holding out, creating the liability on a non-partner under the Indian Partnership Act? This is option number A. This is section 28. Question number 57. A dissolution of a firm can be claimed under section 444E of the Indian Partnership Act, where a partner has transferred his interest in the partnership firm to in case if the partner has transferred his rights in the partnership firm to a third party. On that ground, under section 44E of Indian Partnership Act, that partnership can be dissolved. Question the correct option is then option number B. 58. A firm is liable to be compulsorily dissolved under section 41 of the Indian Partnership Act on adjudication of option number C, either A or B, all the partners as insolvents, or all but one of the partners as insolvents. Question number 59. A minor who has been admitted to the benefits of the partnership under section 30 clause 5 of the Indian Partnership Act on attaining majority has to exercise an option to stay or to leave the firm within option number B 6 months of attaining majority. Question number 60. A partnership firm is option number B, not a distinct legal entity from its partner. So both of these questions have been repeated from the previous year. Question number 61. An illegal partnership, option number B, can be sued. Question number 62. Consider the following statements about the quiz baton relay and indicate the correct ones. So quiz baton relay is actually related to the Commonwealth Games, and you have to choose the correct option. The correct option is option number 2 and 3. This relay traditionally begins with a commencement ceremony at Buckingham Palace, London, during which the Queen entrusts the baton containing her message to the athletes through the first honorary relay runner. And third, the relay for the 1998 Games in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia was the first to travel to other nations of the Commonwealth. Question number 63. Which of the following committees was constituted as per the directions of the Supreme Court of India to frame guidelines on students' union elections in colleges or universities? This is option number B, Lingdo Committee, and it was set up in the year 2006. Question number 64. If the Prime Minister is a member of the Rajya Sabha, then option number C, he or she cannot vote in a no confidence motion. Then question number 65. Confederations Cup has been backed by. So this is an old question. So it was actually backed by option number C, Brazil. Question number 66. Which of the following countries is not a party to the peace pipeline agreement? This is option number A, Afghanistan. Question number 67. The country which recently came into news for attacks on India and the student is, again, it's an old question. I mean, the question is based on an old news. So this is option number C, Australia. 68. Which of the following countries is not a part of G5 developing nations grouping? This is Indonesia. So there are actually 5 nations under G5 grouping, and the 5 nations are China, India, Brazil, Mexico, and South Africa. 69. Who among the following was elected as first women Speaker of Lok Sabha? Again, it's an old question. This is option number C, Meera Kumar. Question number 70. Whose record did Roger Federer level by winning his 14th Grand Slam title in 2009? This is option number D, Pete Sampras. Question number 71. On November 25, 2009, Indian President Pratibha Patil became the first woman head of state to fly in a fighter jet. The jet she flew in was option number D, Sukhoi. 72. Which of the following has been brought within the ambit of the right to information by the recent verdict of the Delhi High Court? This is option number 3, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Again, there is a latest statement of the Supreme Court which also says that the Right to Information Act also includes the office of the Chief Justice of India. Question number 73. VK Singh is the new chief of option number A, Army. You have to comment in the comment section below who is the present chief of Indian Army. 74. Under which section of the Civil Procedure Code a second appeal can be filed? Option number C, section 100. Question number 75. A decree can be option number C, the preliminary or final. Question number 76. A judgment passed by a court can be reviewed. Option number A, by the court passing the judgment. Question number 77. A necessary party is one in whose absence no order can be made effectively. Option number A. Then question number 78. A suit through next friend can be filed. According to section 32, a minor must be option number C, both A and B, a minor and a lunatic. So it can be filed both by a minor and a lunatic. Option number C, both A and B. Question number 79. A temporary injunction can be granted to a party establishing option number D, all of the above, and temporary injunction is granted under order 39 under CPC. A prima facie case in his favor of this A, option number B, balance of convenience in his favor, and C, irreparable injury to him in the event or non-grant of injunction. Question number 80. Abatement means option number A, suspension or termination of proceedings in an action for want of proper parties. That's what the abatement means. Then question number 81. An executing court, option number D, can neither modify nor vary the terms of the degree, and this has been given under section 47 of CPC. Question number 82. Civil Procedure Code provides for option number A, temporary injunction. Question number 83. In case a suit has been instituted in a court having no jurisdiction, territorial or pecuniary, the plaintiff is liable to be option number A, returned. 84. In which of the following cases res judicata is not applicable? Option number C, both A and B, consent or compromise decree and dismissal in default. Question number 85. Pleading can be amended. Option number D, all of the above. Before the trial court, before the first appellate court, and before the second appellate court. In all of the above courts, the pleading can be amended. Question number 86. A confessional statement recorded in accordance with the special procedure under section 164 of CRPC, option number A, can be used as a substantive evidence without being formally proved. Then question number 87. A proclamation under section 82 of CRPC can be issued against a person against whom a warrant has been issued. Thus, a proclamation can be issued against option number D, all of the above. A proclamation can be issued against an accused offender, surety, and also a witness. Question number 88. A public prosecutor for the High Court is appointed under section 24 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 by the option number D, state government or central government after consultation with the High Court. Question number 89. Cognizable offence has been defined. Option number B, under section 2 clause C. 90. Compounding of offence under section 320 of CRPC results in option number A, acquittal of the accused under all circumstances. Question number 91. A FIR can be filed under which section of CRPC? This is option number B, section 154. 92. A FIR is not a substantive evidence. It can be used during trial. Option number C, both A and B, to corroborate the informant, to contradict the informant. Question number 93. Hearing on sentence by magistrate is required on conviction. The correct option will be all of the both A and B. Let me read it for you. In a summons trial case under section 255 of CRPC, in this case, suppose if the magistrate wants to pass a sentence, then a hearing must be offered. In a summons trial case under section 255 of CRPC, and in warrant trial case under section 248 of CRPC. 94. Power under section 311 of CRPC can be exercised by the court. Option number D, in all of the above cases, like to recall any witnesses already examined, then to summon any witness who has been cited as a witness but not produced or examined before the evidence is closed, and C, to summon any witness who has not been cited as a witness. Then question number 95. A communication made to the spouse during marriage under section 122 of Evidence Act, option number A, remains privileged communication after the dissolution of marriage by divorce or death. Then question number 96. A confession made in police custody is admissible under section 26 of Evidence Act, option number C, if made in the presence of a magistrate. Question number 97. A dumb person is competent witness as provided under option number B, Section 119 of the Evidence Act 1989 declaration is admissible, see, both in civil as well as criminal proceedings. Question number 19, admissibility of electronic record has been prescribed under option number C, section 65B of Evidence Act. 100, an accomplice is a person, option number A, who participates in the commission of crime with the charged accused. Question number 101, court question under section 165 of Evidence Act can be put to option number C, A and B, any witness, any party. 102, define who in the following cases is not competent to testify. Option number 1, a lunatic who is prevented by his lunacy from understanding the questions put to him. Then question number 103, in criminal proceedings, the burden of proof is on the prosecution to prove the guilt of the accused. Then question number 104, opinion of an expert under section 45 of Evidence Act, option number C, is supportive and corroborative in nature. Then 105, oral account of the contents of a document is admissible when, option number A, when given by a person who has seen and read the document. Question number 106, under section 32 of the Evidence Act, a statement of a person who is dead to be admissible, but it must relate to the cause of his own death, option number A. Question number 107, when the court obtains a sample of handwriting or signature of a person under section 73 of the Indian Evidence Act, the court, option number B, itself may compare the same or may refer it to an expert under section 45. Then question number 108, a bigamous marriage contracted before the commencement of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, option number C, remains valid. 109, a Hindu ceases to be a Hindu by, option number C, by conversion. Question number 110, Sapinda relationship includes relationship by, option number D, all of the above, half or uterine blood, full blood or adoption. 111, venereal disease to be a ground for divorce under section 12 clause 1 subclause B of Hindu Marriage Act 1955, and it must be in a communicable form. Option number A. Question number 112, when two persons are the descendant of a common ancestor but by different wives, they are said to be related to each other by, option number A, half blood. 113, which school of law doesn't recognize the talaq pronounced under compulsion or undue influence or by? So the schools are, option number D, all of the above, Shia, Malikis and Shafis. 114, for divorced women not subject to menstruation, iddat period means lunar month after her divorce, and this must be, option number B, 3 years. Question number 115, set-off can be, option number C, both A and B, legal set-off or equitable set-off. Then 116, several persons can be joined as plaintiff in cases, option number C, both A and B, where right arises out of the same act in favor of such person, and B, where any common question of law is involved. And this has been given under order 1, which deals with joinder of parties. 117, the court under section 89 clause 1 of CPC can refer the dispute for, option number D, arbitration or conciliation or lok adalat or mediation. Then question number 118, a time barred debt can be claimed, option number D, as none of the above, because a time barred claim cannot be claimed at all by virtue of section 3 of Limitation Act as a set-off or as a counterclaim or as a fresh suit. 119, condonation of delay under section 5 of Limitation Act. So this actual, option number C, sufficient cause for the delay has to be shown, and then only the condonation can be allowed for any appeal and application. So question number 120, on acknowledgement, fresh period of limitation starts, option number A, from the date of signing of acknowledgement. Then question number 121, period of limitation for setting aside an ex parte decree, option number B, 30 days. 122, period of limitation for suits relating to account is, option number A, 3 years. 123, the Supreme Court laid down certain requirements to be followed in all cases of arrest or detention in, option number B, D.K. Basu's case. Then question number 124, the expiration goods under section 2 plus 7 of the Sale of Goods Act includes option number C, every kind of movable property other than actionable claims and money. And the last question is question number 125, the second commission of central and state relations is headed by, so it was headed by, option number C, M.M. Puji. So with this session I am concluding the previous year solved paper of Haryana Judiciary. So I have already done the question paper of the last 5 years. and I hope you all have liked it. So in case if you have any queries, doubts or suggestions, you can do the same in the comment box below. And let me tell you, the questions are not very difficult, and the questions are not based not many of the questions are based on sections, but they're based on provisions of various acts. So I would only recommend you, like if you have, because you are only left with 2 days of time, so it would be wise to revise the questions again and again, and also don't get too much into the theory, otherwise you will get confused. And according to me, the previous year questions are enough for your revision, and obviously apart from that you also need to be aware of the latest case laws. But overall the question paper is not very difficult for every one of you. So I hope you would have a great exam this time. So with this note, I'm signing off, and have a great day.